Okay, so I don't know how good this looks, but we are here on Prospertown Lake. This is the 7th Jersey Devil update. We have a lot of stuff to look at because this time we have a camera with a zoom lens. Construction has stopped. This is going to be like a short little vlog style video this time, where you'll actually see my face and I won't just be recording at my house with voiceover. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so we now are over by Nitro, which, let me just turn for a second for you guys so you guys can see it behind me. So yeah, now you can see it right there. We got camera out, been taking shots of Nitro for you guys on Instagram. Make sure to follow right here.
I like turtles.
Well, we're now over by Harley Quinn. You guys just saw the video of it. We're just floating. We're about to head back, and then we're facing more Jersey Devil stuff.
I hear there might be a secret water coaster. We're gonna go find it.
What? Wait, what?
Water coaster. You know, the legendary Aquatrack.
Oh my god. So guys, I think that's the end of our Jersey Devil construction update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's right behind me. We're paddling back to shore now. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Push comments below. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. For photos of the ride up close, make sure to follow my Instagram in the description, and it's right behind the bottom of me right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And you want to see it? You want to say roll that out there?
What? What? Excuse me? No, I'm kidding. They just demolished Jersey Devil. There's no more up there.
Cool. Roll that outro. See ya.